wencha. What? How can you talk like that as a journalist who is supposed to educate? And I'm sharing video and I was shocked.
Charlie, welcome to the political rant with me, the voice writer on Ghana and Mpepa Gy. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
One more dream. Say a nurse for no as ye jeje wo mo so dodo. Ye jeje nurse for so dodo. Na nurse for no kro bi ho no ma wasi kra no we anwie. You see? One say and some traduma no ayeye no. Sebe. Enye school nyansa nko an ye de ye adwuma yi o. Asemu aba. Nurse for no wo mo bis almost radie. As woman for near a bit me I say adabraka and kaka boy any politics. We and some trendy now sounds a politician kahwa and I'll be no to sit on your platform na waka say a nurse for no crano ye jiji wo so dodo any I hear who is ye a nurse for no crano o man wie wasi obi kra wasi kra wencha. What? How can you talk like that as a journalist who is supposed to educate? And I'm sharing video and I was shocked. Say, such a delicate issue that is claiming lives. That is claiming lives, oh. And then you have the nerve because you have a platform. And Tesukoko no ebi wo bianum basana bidi kakai no ensam traduma no enye suku nko efie nyansa ka ho. I've seen
because I can't do 419, I can't do Sakawa, I can't do Galamsey, I can't do fraud, any other thing. I can only pursue my journalistic career. And you know what we do here is like what the lawyers and the doctors and all the other professionals do. They respect their seniors. So what I'm going to say now is not in the best of my heart, but I am deeply confounded because I have not attended any of my graduation ceremonies. It was Senior Roland Walker who told me that, oh, Johnny, you got the masters, attend the ceremony, take photo, because people have it in their minds that journalists are not properly schooled. They are not being well educated. Somebody actually sat on TV with a faulty subject-verb agreement and suggested that, oh, you can go and become a journalist with three months training. Somebody said that. Now let me put the facts together. Can you imagine if I were appointed and given the role to be somewhere, and I go and use your taxes to buy Christmas tree, and the minister responsible for the ministry comes to say that I didn't authorize you to buy the Christmas tree, which letter is there? Would you be happy about it? Is that professional enough? Somebody is asking what exam I passed. GIJ is a public institution. Our valedictorian, who I respect very much, and good morning to you, Pope, and
Because using public funds.
I had 3.833. Go and check. Valedictorian has 3.86. Go and check. So you're asking what exam I passed. Somebody who couldn't pass his law exam, who couldn't graduate as a lawyer, who actually went on to go and lie to everybody that somebody wrote an exam for me. Somebody actually who went to tell, and you apologize on national radio on EIB.
Or you don't have a strong case.
You are the one asking which exam I passed. Wow. The other clerk is there. The interview is there. Let me pause.
Party manager wo mu party wo mu akwale mu opani sabe sa akukuduro sem na ya didi party anim akukuduro sem eye minim eya no twa na no ya maami samira na test komfo akosra no na all kase ye nyina ye mfa sumdui party no a contest of ideas enye se bia woni obi nkan to kwane ade afei na babies we chat with
obi kwa de busa the question obi na busa seminar question say atemdidie na what no dey na wakafa ho o answer sa
and one answer no boko mami ahun brase ne and I'm telling you say mami energy woni mo odi ye adwuma man PP you have no idea enkrofo na ye de do mo yire no mo wen mami ko kasa ya na nkokora mnantie bia se tie sia agoro no chese ensim hu ekoso anesi fo tifie no biom beso ye wura ba omiane ne yiri mu nko na mepa chew si ye wo fufuo na ben kwan ya nko abi superku na mwom na si ye fufuo na nkwala etwa hu hia nko hwie nko no betimi adi fufuo no ye betimi adi enti se mu dim Dr. Mahmoud ba omiatem mu di Samira tem na wo kene bi ye wura ken ye koto aba ma wo a afa na wo kopa chew na me apio to aka kire me se enim guase na wagu party me kokoe campaign we eye wonu mu sem Bible say de efiro ni penum eba ne gu ne hu fi na nya de ofa ko onu enti ye kan obi wa say na wo bakuti na wo twa ko be na me ntwa ko ho sebi wa yesi bibia nko kapa pa di trade na kuku no so enya ye kire so fancy said you almost time also say come am be 15 minutes crack eja me bie no etu de ma me nkope keje bintra na wo de me nkope keje bintra na me me da
fancy abi tu ba se ba
fancy yamfa odo enya adwuma ana the way yana grassroots na yawo down no yesi bi so ansem so no yana na sabi yama etabon because o share even kompo ha kakra impa yawo no bia wani interest but aya idea nka any youth no esese nke ko public nke di ehusie ana two me no hierarchy no bia am wo issue wo ye chairmanship national chairman because abaye beto no 2027 abaye beto edi enti no mama we say ko munyanya aspirant edi enti no mama omo interest to contest mama omo kwan ye campaign across the country. This is a whole wrong issue because share polling station delegate ko ebe you omo kola no ehun schedule onye dey my constituency be you Mumbai, region my national nuru ho. But we are now throwing those things away. And a ye candidate na ye do omochi. And when I mean this for nya every week biano no omode idea aye omo ye ne hu senke ye be sorry etiano no omo dia betum because the party is not focusing to attack the NDC but we are rather fighting inside. Share anyway question reduce or Kasamani candidate or question reduce or Kasamani candidate by near man NDC yana nke ya stick my party na and 2 years kibet media bomb we man arrest your favorite candidate for Gunchai amom so ya underground share enka abaye kotui enka delegate message in here deko kame hu hiambozenga you Kennedy Kasankeba out, but me Kasache the delegate and Keba out. This thing should go down to the grassroots. But now say a beam selfish interest or co station Yaman Petruska into a coin Mamentia Kennedy on a man Petruska, Mamentia on a man Petruska. Now these things generate a political internal fire. But in days the time I can chairman case and Kadu Nancy from said no party no yewo our home that 1 year that enemy ye de toto ye niyama ye di mia ye kuru next year ebia ye besane kuru nso ne ehu ba bi ye duru na afie de aye toto ye eno no be man ko for kwan ma omo nsem anka abufu yi mu awoyi nko mo nyina be reverse omo e comment but ye jai omo eno bia tugum yo edu betime di atam sa 3 years kopem se ye beto aba ontimi enti won sem na de beba ne beto aba na wie be yu na won sem na ka 6 months pa de kosele ewai ye ntimi ne alusu aba enti me won is a national hierarchy no that is the problem because they are not that principal executives are or more rules or wise and comedy adwuma they are not using it because me who national election I ever kwa prime minister ever kwa ye to aba wie na you try 6 months candidate nyina yi omuti a obia e pra candidate yi omuti Ubia Preaba. No, this is the wrong. And two parties say Oko polling station. Or more Mpepa polling station executives will be starting a campaign. None of them.
That is one solution, Papa. That's a solution.
None of them. And you know,
discipline side no solution.
But now, parties. There should be a sanction across the country. So we if we saw them contest the election. It's not the time for you to campaign. It's not time because say yeah, almost started at the share at the day and now fancy and this first and no be do be after my this TV3 so on the station as I know say we do be at the move. And we do be at them na do ekura say.
Na first akawan enemy.
Ko bi enemy they make an answer say. Enti we be wadwen say wo ka asem ketewa bi wa ho. Wo be pie no na eduru ba bi foforo. And when I MPP nowadays, you understand that they used to that knowledge and technology aspect. But and no na ba ye downfall.
That social media buy say
yes, but they say why? Because you need leadership or more control the media for us. You need leadership. Share only enka ideally enka miracles are call stations kura no kai wrong.
Obeti ma join e wa hanum pani bi na wa join one day bi na ma
yes, because share some miracle